Now that the Cybertruck has started its delivery process and Cybertruck production has begun to ramp up, many people believe that the Tesla compact car will be the next big thing on the Tesla horizon, and the thing that really pushes the company forward to even greater profitability. However, a recent video release from Tesla has highlighted another product from Tesla, which could have a significant impact on the company's future and both its growth and profitability. The recent video showed the progress that Tesla was making with its Gen 2 Optimus humanoid robot. Tesla's journey towards developing Optimus began with their founding mission of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. Their first product was the Tesla Roadster in 2008, an electric sports car that set the mold for EVs as exciting high-performance vehicles. This was followed by the acclaimed Model S sedan, premium Model X SUV, mass-market Model 3, and latest Model Y crossover, each iteration pushing EVs further into the mainstream. They've very recently been joined by the highly anticipated Cybertruck, a pickup truck-styled vehicle that has caused an immense amount of discussion and division in the marketplace. Beyond cars, Tesla expanded into solar energy, home battery packs, and grid-scale storage solutions, building an end-to-end sustainable energy ecosystem. In 2016, Tesla made a pivot that set the foundations for Optimus with an investment in AI startup, Vicarious. This led to leveraging AI for systems including Tesla's increasingly sophisticated autopilot driver assistance software. In 2017, Tesla CEO Elon Musk published a blog post outlining his vision for training neural nets via hardware-in-the-loop of camera, radar, and sensor data from Tesla vehicles. The post spoke of using this vast trove of sensory data for not only autonomy, but also computer vision and object recognition research applicable to multi-purpose humanoid robots. Fast forward to today, Tesla's AI division has made major strides towards full self-driving cars. Meanwhile, the same fundamental neural network architectures have secretly been teaching virtual models to walk, laying the seeds for Optimus. With the Gen 2 bot, Tesla appears right on the verge of unleashing Optimus. Once mass production commences, each unit could be worth many times its build cost when deployed for automating manual labor. An army of Optimus bots would multiply workflow efficiency in Tesla factories. And by offloading repetitive drudgery from human staff, Optimus would boost productivity, accuracy, safety, and job satisfaction. Beyond internal use within the Tesla factories and sale or lease to external customers, Optimus presents a momentous opportunity to spawn an entirely new robotaxi industry. Tesla could retain ownership of its bots while leasing them for a multitude of logistics applications in warehouses, healthcare, hospitality, construction, agriculture, and more. With each lease generating ongoing subscriber revenue, Optimus would create a very attractive vertical with strong income potential and value accrual directly onto Tesla's balance sheet. In essence, Optimus may soon constitute one of Tesla's most profitable divisions while catalyzing increased productivity worldwide. By unleashing robotic potential, Tesla continues driving progress towards sustainable abundance for all. With the recent reveal of Optimus Gen 2, Tesla appears imminent to unleash physical robots on its own factories and on the world in general. Optimus Gen 2 exhibits significant advancements towards production readiness. By eliminating unnecessary components and mechanisms, engineers trimmed overall weight by 10 kilos for better efficiency. Optimus is now lighter than competing robots from Boston Dynamics and others, with room for further improvements. Refined joints and controls deliver faster, more responsive movement, with calibrated torque enabling better safety around humans. The redesigned arms and shoulders improve range of motion to enhance versatility. Durable plastic casings resist minor bumps and the threat of pinch points on Optimus that would be a risk to them being around human workers. The additional tactile sensors in the fingertips provide precise feedback for dexterous gripping, as demonstrated in the ease of manipulation of an egg by Optimus, something the AI controlling Optimus had never been specifically programmed to do. It had only learnt this from studying videos of humans performing tasks. A lot of this self-learning is a parallel program to the car division's FSD, or full self-driving program. These refinements could enable each Optimus unit to match the productivity of 3 factory workers. With reliable all-day operation for tedious tasks like parts transfer and sorting, Optimus exists to multiply workflow efficiency. This would boost overall output, improve product quality consistency, and reduce overhead costs. By automating repetitive drudgery, human staff could focus their talents on more fulfilling creative and analytical challenges. Once Optimus enters volume production, Tesla could multiply profits by both employing bots internally while leasing to external customers. With hardware production costs estimated around $20,000 per unit, each leased Optimus could generate over $100,000 in annual revenue at currently advertised rates. Such recurring high-margin income, combined with the high gross margin on Tesla's vehicle sales, would substantially boost profitability. Additionally, Optimus would garner interest from investors and likely increase Tesla's valuation. In summary, Elon Musk aims for Tesla to create an affordable, capable humanoid robot, offering usefulness simply not found in other machines. If the demonstrated Optimus Gen 2 abilities reflect sophistication that enables reliable assistance across domains, then Tesla appears positioned to birth an enormously lucrative robotaxi industry. With versatility allowing for endless workforce augmentation applications, Optimus may constitute Tesla's most profitable and transformational product yet.